Hi guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well and welcome to Learning WordPress with Sajjad Bilgrami Elementor series 4th episode. Hope you are all fine and in this episode we are going to explore some of the widgets that are available in Elementor. Let's get to our website and explore new widgets that are available in free version of the Elementor. The first widget which we are going to use and explore is testimonial. If you just drag it down in here, you can see that this is the testimonial widget that you will use. Here you can add your text if you want to add. This is our first testimonial, and here you can just paste the image of the person that you want to show. Yeah, here you can change your name, first client, and here is the title like CEO and etc. Here you can add these testimonials to your site. The next widget which we are going to explore is the tabs. Just drag and drop in here, you can see that there are now two tabs available. If you want to add tab like tab 3, and this is text, tab text. In most of the sites that you see that there are different types of offers available. You can use this tab widget to show these types of offers. You can change a style of the tab, whatever you want to like, from here in this style tab. Now the other one is accommodation. Here is the like this is like a fact that frequently asked questions on the website. You can for this with the help of this widget you can create fact for your own website. Like if you want to this is our first question, and this is you can add or subtract like uh, this is the second question, and here is the text of second question, and here and so forth. You can just click on this heading and that drop down will appear, and that answer will be shown to your users of the website. Now the other widget is toggle. We just drag and drop the toggle here. Here is the toggle key. It is just work like fact, but its look and feel is a little bit different between accommodation and toggle. The other one is social icons. If you want to put social icons on your website, you can just drag and drop this widget, and you can add your links to the social website. The If you have a business website and you have a Facebook page, a Twitter page, and a YouTube link, you can just put in here. You can put the Facebook link here, and you can put your Twitter link here, and you can add your YouTube link here. If you want to add some other like another website or another, if you have your presence on Vimeo, you can just click in here and the Vimeo icon will be added, and you can put your link of Vimeo here. Now the next one which we are using is alert. If you want to make an alert on your website, you can just drag and drop this widget, and it will be used as an alert for your customer or for your user that who is visiting your website. You can change your heading alert, or you can change your text here. This is our first alert, and so forth. If you want to use a SoundCloud option, you just drag and drop in here, and you can see that SoundCloud will be automatically added, just like we have previously shown in our tutorial that a video can be uploaded to your website, and that particular video link can be provided in your widget. Just like that, this is a SoundCloud widget, and it will be automatically adding the sounds or music from your own page, or on your self-hosted website, or on your different hosted websites. If you want to add a shortcode, you just click and drag and drop here and add the shortcode here. It will be automatically if you have a form that has a shortcode, then you can add that shortcode here, and that form will be appear on this page. If you want to add an HTML code to your website, you just drag and drop in here and add an HTML code. Like if you want to add a header, this is HTML heading. You can see that this heading is now appear on your page. If you want to add a paragraph, you can just add it. This is a paragraph, and so forth. You can add your HTML text in your page by using this widget. If you want to add a menu anchor, you can just drag and drop in here, and here you will be given the menu page. As we haven't added any menu, then this menu is not shown here. But from this widget, you can add menu on your website, on your page, wherever you want. This is sidebar. There are different types of sidebar available, but in this page we have already created a footer. That's why there is only one option of footer available. You can just select the footer from here or different sidebar here, and it will be automatically shown to your page. Now let's move to the other, read more. If you want to add some content, you can put your read more here button, and it will be automatically added to your page. The text path is the last one which we are going to. Here you can add your if you want to show your text in a different format, like wave or an arc or an circle, you can just paste in here, and it will your text will be shown in a decorative way. If you want to align it with here, if you want to text right to left, left to right, whatever direction you want, it will be appear here. In this this is the last widget that we are going to explore in our series. Hope you like this series, and you have learned a lot from this series. Please like my page and like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and hope you have enjoyed a lot with this video. Thank you.